Hello student, welcome to next practical of web page designing with HTML. Today we see the practical number 11, that is create web page to implement table tags. Okay, so practical significance is table are used to show the tabular data, that is information that is logically present in rows and columns. So in this practical we see how we can display the data in table by using table tag. Okay, so next is the relevant program outcomes, discipline knowledge, experiment and practice, engineering tools, individual and teamwork, and communication. These are the some program outcomes of this practical. Then practical skill, after this practical, all students able to apply the table attribute to organize data on web page and use the given table attribute to change the default table settings. Okay, so first we see the some theoretical background. In HTML, table is represented with table tag. Okay, so this is table tag. Each table row is defined with tr tag. Okay, so first we create table, inside table we create table row by this tr tag. A table heading is defined by, okay, so any table first row define the heading of the columns. Okay, so that heading we define by th tag. Okay, so remember this tags. And by default table heading is in bold and center. Okay, so alignment is center and is displaying bold table headings. Okay, then a table data or cell is defined with td. Then use row space and column space tag. Okay, so these are the main tags of table. First is table tag, indicate a table that tags surround the entire table. Okay, then next inside these two tags we create first row. To create row we use the tr tag. Then to define the data we use td tag, and to define headings we define th tag. Okay, here one example is given. One table is created. Inside table first row is created. Okay, so first row with heading name, class, mark, then data ABC FY50. Okay, so here some attributes are given, table attributes. Border is equal to n. Okay, if you pass some value in attribute border, that time we display the border to the table. Cell spacing that we also define in pixel, which insert the number of pixel space between the cell. Every cell, okay, this is one cell, and in between two cell, that spacing is displayed cell spacing attribute. Then cell padding, add a number of pixel space between the text and the cell wall of the text. Okay, and width, change the width of table by using this attribute defined in pixel. And alignment, by default it is left, we can make it as center and right. Okay, so these are some table attributes. Okay, so we see direct practical demonstration. So here I first write the comment HTML document, then I write HTML tag, then head tag, open the head tag, then title tag. Inside title tag we write practical number 11. Head tag is closed, body, then we open the body tag. Okay, now here I define table. Okay, so here I defined one table. Okay, first we remove all this. Okay, table tag. Inside table tag first I create one row tr. Okay, inside first row here I defined some table heading. First heading is serial number. Okay, so th is the tag used to define the table heading. Okay, then second column heading is student name. Third column heading is branch, and fourth column heading is enrollment. Here first row is closed. Okay, so here first it create one row, and this is column headings. Okay, so table is created with one row and four column. Then next I insert the second row. Inside the second row first serial number is 1, then student name is Rohan Patil, and then branch is IF, and enrollment number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and here headings are defined by th tag. Okay, table headings, and data is defined by TD tag. Okay, so TD means table data and TH means table heading. Okay, similarly we create a row for another student by using TR. We create another row, here second row is created, and similarly we create the third row. Okay, save this, then table tag is closed and body close, HTML close. Okay, save this file by some name, and when I open this file, I already saved this file. Okay, open with Google Chrome. Okay, so this, let's save this file. Okay, then table is displayed like this without border. If you want some border to table, that time add the attributes in table. Attribute name is border, and mention the in pixel. So if I enter 5, then it is 5 pixels. Save this file and refresh the page. Okay, so that time table is displayed like this. Okay, so again we use cell spacing and cell padding attributes. Here I add cell spacing is equal to 2 and cell padding is equal to 2. Okay, so I add two attributes, another attributes of table. Save this file and then again refresh the page, so it display the cell spacing and cell padding effect in your document. So this is simple practical to create the table in your HTML web page. All students perform this in exercise. One program is one diagram is given. For that diagram, write the code, HTML code, and display the table. Okay, so this is practical 11. All students perform this, and if any doubt, then contact me. Thank you.